Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would do some crafting, so join me as I'm going to show you guys a couple of my resin crafts. These are going on my website as soon as they are dry and finished. So first things first, this is a small cake mold that I got off of Amazon for just roughly under $10. I also have some other things that I'm going to be using over here to go into these. So these are going to be like some beach coasters. I'm going to go ahead and make those, and I'm also going to finish off my beach letter. Let me just show you guys those. So these are my beach letter molds that need to be done. Yesterday I created all of these. So for this part right here, I do have gloves on. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to get this started, but first, in order to get it started, I need sand. So sand is going to be my to-go for the first step, starting here. So with these beach coasters, you have to order this silicone mold off of Amazon. It is probably, I think, only $10 if that was the last time I recall. So you need some sand to go down at the bottom. You guys can use real life sand if you choose. This sand was bought from Michael's. I'm just putting everything towards the bottom because I eventually am going to add in some shells, and then I also will add in a starfish. So I thought that it'd be beneficial to add in one starfish to each coaster, as well as 3 shells, but in different sizes and different colors. So I do have some shells like this where it's like the conch shell, then I do have like the regular flat ones, and then I have some that are blue and green. I decided to flip them up first because I was going to make it the bottom part be the front half, but I decided to reverse it. So then I end up just basically turning over the shells like this. And so what I want to do is create everything down at the bottom. That way, when I pour in the epoxy over the sand, I am just simply going to be making that part hard. So I am adding in the starfish. The starfish is going to be the main middle piece. And I have enough for this project here. I also wanted to share that I'm just going to add in like some gold foil down at the bottom to kind of give it like more of a pop type of daylight craft. So what I want to do is go ahead and get some epoxy ready soon so that I can get this started. With the temperature in my house, it has to be like kind of hot, but hot to the point where it's going to seal these faster and it's going to dry faster. So with epoxy, or resin if you want to call it that, you have to mix together A and B, and I'm just going to mix it together and pour it over the sand and like the starfish and the seashell. So that's just what I'm going to do for each one. Eventually I will work on getting the teal color together, the white together, and the dark blue, and then I will eventually make the ocean, and I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch the rest of the process, and then I will show you finally at the end what it looks like. I also will be adding in some vinyl to each of these beach coasters, as I just wanted to add some different sayings to them, not make them all the same. So I'm not sure if I'm going to sell these on my website as a set of 6 or if I would rather just sell them individually. If I do them individually, I will probably charge just like $6 for one, maybe 8, and then for a whole set I feel like maybe 20 or 25. So these will make really great coasters for cups to sit on, especially if you love the beach, and especially like for people who are building beach houses and stuff like that. These will make really great things inside of the house. Also, at the end of the video, I wanted to make sure that there was enough room for a cup to sit on. So when you're making this craft, make sure you have enough resin or enough epoxy to cover the whole thing, especially since you're using starfish and sand and shells that are a little thicker than normal. So of course I just had to make some more epoxy or resin, and so this time I need to do the teal, and I also need to do the dark blue as well as the white. The white is going to count as the waves, and they will eventually spread on their own, and you guys will see that shortly. All right, so here are how they came out. One thing I will say with these is that you can still feel the shell. You can choose to, and I just broke this off, but you guys can choose to put like more epoxy over top of it so that you don't feel this part, and so that a cup will be able to sit on all of it and not just this part. But you also can choose to just leave it the way it is. So prime example, a pretty one that came out just fine is this one right here. So here's the front of it, and then here is the back part. The back part, you can see the shells. You also can see the sand and the white waves. Now on another note, I definitely am going to put another coat on here just because I want a cup to be able to sit on the whole thing and not just the upper part. So thanks guys so much for watching me to make these beach coasters. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and definitely be sure to check out my website that's linked in the description box down below, as I will be putting these on the website. I'm not sure if I want to sell them just individually or if I want to sell them as a whole. Yeah, because this one didn't have words on it, but I thought that it'd be best to leave one blank. And now they just need to be filled with the clear resin, which is on here where the beach is. So yeah, really cool. If I took one of these out, which I can, I'll take the J out just because it's probably easier to put that one back in than doing any of the other ones. So prime example, this is what they would look like on the website. These are beach letter keychains that will be made into keychains. When it's fully done, a hole will be poked in the top here, and then it will be made onto the keychain. Now what I also can do is add a name and then seal it up so that your name will not come off. But not many people have been ordering these, but I just have been ordering these due to it being summertime. So like I said, check these out. My website is linked down below. I will have some of these out and ready soon.